Hi, Mark here, Managing Director of All My Systems, helping companies grow by sorting out their business systems properly. On AMS TV this time, what we're going to look at is why is nobody using your shiny new database or CRM system? Now, there's many reasons for this, and a lot of the reasons end up in you feeling a little bit like that. And what it is down to several factors, such as how well it's been implemented, how well your users have been trained, and what the level of ongoing support is. Now, implementing software is quite a tricky process, and that's why there's a lot of different things that could potentially go wrong with it. But the things that make it go right are when users are engaged throughout the process. You identify in the project people who are subject matter experts in each of their parts of the business, be it marketing or sales or finance or order management, and it's about involving those people in the process. And the more you involve people, the more they'll be engaged in the project and engaged in using the CRM system and want to advocate the benefits of it across other people in your business. So if you've got 30, 40, 50 people in your business, your project team might have about 10 people in it who have these little kind of advocations in different parts of the business, and they can take the good message back as to why you're going through this change in the first place. It also means that at a local level, people that they work with have a comfortable environment to feed things back that come back into the project, and you end up with a better system out the back end of it by taking that kind of approach. There's a whole huge amount of other stuff around the kind of the change management process, but that's a really key fundamental part of it. Now, once you've actually got your system ready for go live and you made sure that you've provided all the relevant training and the training's correct for the people who need to do the relevant training within their roles, and they understand why they're using the system and the benefits it has for them, and also the day-to-day practices that they need to use the system for, the key thing once you roll it out is to make sure that users feel supported. If they don't feel supported, they're just going to think that they've been given this new system, left alone, not understand day to day why they need to do things. And also the key thing is to make sure that they see some of the output from the system, the reports it generates, so that the data that they're putting into the system that gets processed and then gets outputted, if the output's not right and they're involved in the reasons why it's not right, then that makes them more responsible and more caring about the data that gets inputted into the first place. So those are some really kind of simple things that are really core to project management and getting a database to work well. And so when you ask yourself the question, why is nobody using my new shiny CRM system? If you go back to basics and have a look at the project and how that was put about and how it came to a go live stage, and you follow the good implementation practices, solid training, ongoing support, and then just making sure users feel looked after as they go through the process and can even feed back improvements and enhancements to the system, that once it's gone live they have confidence that it can be changed and tweaked over time. That's a really, really smart step to put in place. So I hope that's been useful. I hope that people do use your shiny new CRM system, and we'll see you on the next AMS TV. Bye for now.